Hey there, it's Noah at Transcona Trailer Sales. We heard that you just purchased a motorhome, so we want to give you a few accessories that we suggest you add on before your first trip. Come on inside, let's talk about them. The first item that we suggest here is our surge guards. These are going to plug into your cord, and these will stop a surge from the campground from wrecking your appliances in your motorhome. These are a small investment up front, but can save you thousands of dollars in the long run. The second item that we suggest are our extended stay kits. These will attach to the exterior of the RV. Instead of having to go out and get more propane after you've already parked, these are going to attach to a 20-pound or 30-pound propane tank and lets you stay in the campground site without having to leave for propane. The third item that we suggest here is our Lynx levelers. These can be used underneath the tires or underneath your jacks that can level out one side of the motorhome. These are super helpful and they come 10 pieces in one box. The fourth and final item that we suggest is our tow dollies. These are going to attach into the back hitch of your motorhome. You simply drive up, put your two front tires on it, and you can tow it around just like a small utility trailer. These are going to give you more mobility when you're behind your motorhome. That way when you park for the night, you can still go out and get groceries or go and sightsee, even though your motorhome's still at the campground. Come by and get any of these 4 items plus many more for your motorhome. Thanks again for watching.